SilkGlide Pro, a USB-rechargeable, waterproof electric razor designed specifically for women. It promises to give you a smooth, painless shave without those annoying nicks, burns, or ingrown hairs. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, we're here to break it down and figure out if this product is really worth your hard-earned money. Let's go. The positives. First off, let's talk about some of the cool things we noticed. The thing that really stood out to us was the YouTube video they've made. It's super detailed, walking you through the entire process step by step. Honestly, it makes using the product so much easier, and you can tell they genuinely care about their customers. That kind of transparency really builds trust, don't you think? We also loved that the SilkGlide Pro is made with hypoallergenic blades and a skin guard to protect against irritation and razor bumps. So if you've got sensitive skin, this might be a game changer for you. Plus, it's designed for multiple areas: your legs, underarms, bikini line, and even your face, with a special attachment. It's waterproof too, which makes it perfect for use in the shower, and the fact that it's reusable is a win for the environment. The not-so-positive aspects. Now let's get real for a moment. There were a few things that didn't sit right with us. For starters, the marketing feels a little pushy. You know the kind. Countdowns and only a few left messages, trying to create urgency. It just felt like they were trying a little too hard to get you to buy. And speaking of marketing, they also throw in a free exfoliation glove and facial shaving head. But honestly, these feel more like sales tactics than actual added value. It made us wonder if they really care about helping the customer or just making the sale. Oh, and the bold claim they make about being the 2025 #1 rated in women's shaving. Well, that raised some eyebrows. Where's the proof? There's no source or evidence to back up that claim. So it kind of feels like a buzzword to grab your attention. Repeating things like bye-bye bumps and shave green, save green also starts to feel a little like hype instead of solid info. What are customers saying? Now, let's talk about user reviews. They've got a ton of glowing reviews on their website, but let's be honest, some of them look a little too perfect. A few even seem to be AI generated. So we decided to check out Trustpilot for some more honest feedback. Here's what we found. They've got a 2.7-star rating, and the reviews are all over the place. Some people said the razor worked well for them on light hair, but others had serious issues, like the razor not working at all, being overcharged, or not receiving their order. And when it came to customer service, well, it seems like that's been a bit of a nightmare for some people. Delayed shipping, poor support, and quality issues seem to be recurring problems. The bottom line. So what's the final verdict? The SilkGlide Pro has some great features, like being gentle on sensitive skin, eco-friendly, and easy to use, but it's hard to overlook the questionable marketing, the unverified claims, and the mixed customer feedback. It's clear that while some people find it effective, others have had pretty frustrating experiences. So, if you're thinking about giving it a try, maybe proceed with a little caution. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more honest product breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.